Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi and welcome to my channel Go Kiddies. In my last videos, can you remember we made sentences with this is and these are. From both of these sentence patterns, we talk about something which are closer to us, right? අපි ළඟ තියෙන දෙයක් නැත්නම් අපි ළඟ තියෙන ගොඩක් දේවල් ගැන තමයි this is and these are කියන forms වලින් අපි කතා කරේ. So today let's see how do we talk about something far away from us. Far away. දුර තියෙන දෙයක්, ඈතක තියෙන දෙයක් ගැන කොහොමද අපි කියන්නේ? අපි අද බලමු. Right. Now I'm sure. Just imagine you are here and there's a tree something far away from you. දුර ඈත ගහක් තියෙනවා ඔයා ඉන්න තැන ඉඳලා. So you are showing the tree and say that is a tree. අපිට ඒ ගහ පෙන්නලා කියන්න පුළුවන් අර තියෙන ගහක්. That is a tree. But you can't touch it because it's not closer. ඔයාට ඒක අල්ලන්න පුළුවන් දුරකින් නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ. ටිකක් ඈතින් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. So ඒ වගේ වෙලාවක අපි කියනවා අර කියලා. සිංහලෙන් අපි කියනවා අර කියලා. So in English we are saying that. So that is a tree. Okay, just imagine now you're on a bus. You're going somewhere with your mommy and you saw a river somewhere down and you are showing it to අම්මි අර බලන්න අර ඈත ගඟක් තියෙනවා. How you can say it? ඈත ගඟක් තියෙනවා. අර ගඟක්. It's somewhere far away from you. So you can say, Mommy, that is a river. Right? I know every one of us, we are just like, it's really funny when we are flying kites in the sky. So when the kite is on the sky, you can say, that is a kite. Kite එක නැත්තම් සරුංගලේ අහස තියෙනකොට අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් අර තියෙන්නේ සරුංගලයක් කියලා. ඉතින් කොහොමද අපි ඒක ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන්නේ? That is a kite. Okay, we can say that is a bus station, that is a shop, right? That is a pet shop. අපිට දුර ඈතකින් තියෙන දෙයක් ගැන that is a කියන form එක use කරලා sentences build up කරන්න පුළුවන්. So let's see how we can write it. First look at here. This is the way we can write that is a. We are talking about one thing here. That is why we are using a. That is a. එක දෙයක් ගැන තමයි අපි that කියන form එකේදී කතා කරන්නේ. අපිට කියන්න බෑ that is a flowers. It's wrong. We can't say that is a flowers. It's definitely wrong. So we can say that is a flower. Only one thing. එක දෙයක් ගැන තමයි කියන්නේ. Right. That is a kite. That is a river. That is a tree. I'm telling again. That is a kite. That is a river. That is a tree. This is how we can write the sentences with that is. Okay, so it's another new sentence pattern to my Go Kiddies. So keep on practicing them, right? So I'm coming to you with another beautiful video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel Go Kiddies, and goodbye everyone.